Hello and welcome to the Eclectic Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to bake a Caraway rye sandwich bread, a loaf with a golden crackly crust and a soft fragrant crumb laced with delicious caraway aroma in every bite. So stick with me and let's make this bakery quality loaf right at home. First, make a Rye Scald. Add 50 grams rye flour and 7 grams caraway seeds to a heatproof bowl. Pour over 100 milliliters of boiling water and stir into a smooth paste. This process gelatinizes the starches in the flour, which improves flavor, texture and shelf life of the bread. It also softens the caraway seeds and spreads their flavor evenly. Cover with plastic wrap and let it cool. While the scald cools, prepare the rest of the flour. In a mixing bowl, combine 400 grams of bread flour and 210 milliliters cold water. I'm using a stand mixer as it makes later kneading a lot easier, but this recipe can be done by hand. Mix just until combined, about 2 minutes. You're not kneading yet, only hydrating the flour. Sprinkle 8 grams salt over the dough and gently press it with a wet hand. Don't mix it, salt competes for water during the Autolyse. Cover and let sit for about an hour. This step kickstarts gluten development and improves dough handling. Once the Autolyse is complete, dissolve 5 grams yeast in 30 milliliters water. This will help distribute it evenly. Add the yeast mixture and the cooled rye caraway scald to the mixing bowl. Mix on low until combined, then increase to medium. Scrape down the sides if needed. Mix until the dough stops sticking to the sides of the bowl, about 5 to 7 minutes. The rye flour will make the dough slightly sticky, but it should feel elastic and not overly wet. Cover and let rise for about 1 to 1.5 hours or until roughly doubled. When the dough has risen, dust lightly with flour and turn onto a work surface. Pull the edges toward the center, working around until you return to the first fold. Flip seam side down and gently tighten into a ball by rotating between your palms. Place back into the bowl, cover and let rise for another hour. When the dough has risen, you can perform one more fold. Flatten into a rectangle, fold like shaping a loaf, then taper the ends and round into a ball. Let it rest for another hour. After the last rest, place the dough onto a floured surface and flatten into a rectangle of even thickness. You don't need to get it perfect, it will even out a bit in the pan. Take the top 2 corners and fold them inward to form a triangle point at the top. Now, starting from the pointed end, roll the dough tightly into a log. As you roll, press gently to keep surface tension. Once rolled, tuck the ends to fit your loaf pan. Cover with plastic wrap or a damp towel and let rise for about 45 minutes. When ready, mist the top with water and score. Place into a preheated 225 Celsius oven and then immediately reduce heat to 200 Celsius and bake for around 35 to 40 minutes. Once baked, leave the loaf in the oven with the door cracked open for about 10 minutes to dry the crust. And that's it, you've baked a beautiful caraway rye sandwich loaf. The hardest part is waiting for it to cool down before slicing. But it's worth it, just listen to that crunch and look at the soft aromatic crumb inside. Grab your favorite toppings and enjoy the best sandwich you'll make today. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, bon appetit!